Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
Chemistry has been one of the most toughest subjects we ever faced. So, being a dhurandhar of this backlog, I just have to destroy two major things. First is the camp, and second is the soldier. Here, the camp referred to whole of the chapter, and the soldiers refer to the number of lectures present. By the way, I'm not gonna do it alone. I'm just gonna do it with my coffee friend. Basically, we are gonna start thrashing them at 12 o'clock and would thrash them out for like sincere 6 hours until the 6th of morning. The fight wasn't easy at all, but unfortunately was handled by me. I was ticking all the boxes till 3, but after that something felt off. I had already killed the 6 soldiers and wanted to do it more, but things weren't my way. I just had to come back to my base and have some rest. I'll just continue it tomorrow and won't leave them alone. Just do all that, I'll just thrash them out in the morning. So it's the morning. By the way, it didn't took me more than 3 hours. It's all done. Would meet you in the 3rd chapter. Till then, signing off.
Cbse